Natural remedy for strong bones and bones. Just 1 teaspoon a day. This is a natural recipe for strong bones, healthy bones and cartilage regeneration. In today's video, you will learn about a recipe rich in natural nutrients that will help you strengthen your bones and protect your joints in a completely natural way, especially if you are over 50 years old. All ingredients are healthy, natural and readily available. So if you have pain in your bones, joints and lower back, this recipe is just the thing for you. But before I continue, tell me, in which part of the body does the pain usually appear? The first ingredient for today is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds have several health benefits, helping to improve brain and heart function, promoting intestinal health and reducing inflammation in our body caused by various diseases. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of omega-3, which have an anti-inflammatory function against stress or disease processes that can cause damage to the body. Pumpkin seeds contain an abundant mineral, zinc, which is very important in building bones. Excellent for painful and inflamed bones. We will need 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. The second ingredient is sunflower seeds. We will use 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, which are rich in vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin B1. They also contain magnesium, copper, phosphorus, zinc and potassium, all of which are excellent for bone health. Next, we will need flax seeds. Although flaxseed is well known for its benefits for the intestine, as an anti-constipation food and for better digestion and healthy weight loss, it is much more than that. Flaxseed is rich in manganese, which affects bone health and strength through collagen. It is an excellent natural food for those suffering from osteoporosis, as it contains copper and phosphorus, which help build bones. Use 2 spoons of flaxseed. Ground flaxseed is a natural source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that preserves cartilage and alleviates degenerative changes in joints and bones. Last but not least, we have sesame. Sesame seeds are healthy and rich in selenium, magnesium, copper, calcium, and potassium. We will use 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. By consuming sesame seeds, you prevent bone fractures and strengthen your bones. Now, put all the ingredients in the blender, close the lid and blend well to crush them for approximately 2 minutes. Store the ground seeds in a glass jar with a lid. This mixture is a fantastic natural recipe that will keep your bones healthy and strong, as well as being excellent for preventing various diseases of the bone and joint system. Plus, this mixture is great for your immunity, and it tastes delicious. Store the prepared mixture in the refrigerator. Use a spoonful of this mixture every morning, sprinkled on fruit, yogurt, in your morning smoothie or even in your lunch. It is like a flour that is easy to sprinkle over food and is rich in nutrients. By including this recipe in your diet every day, in 2 weeks you will already feel better. If you've made it this far, tell me, when are you going to make this recipe? And how many stars does this tip deserve? I would also like to ask you to share this video with your family and friends. It's very easy, just click on the share arrow, choose the WhatsApp icon and send it to the people you love most. I hope to see you in the next video. A kiss. See you then.